Lift your voice again, stretch your tent wide, let new hope begin. Though the night was long and tears filled your eyes, the Holy One calls you to arise.
You will not be forgotten, not cast away. Mercy is speaking over you today. Your Maker is your husband, faithful and strong. He has held your story all along. No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
The Lord is your shield and defender.
Though mountains shake and hills depart,
His covenant of peace holds your heart.
no weapon formed against you shall prosper.
The Most High God restores what was lost.
Forever you are His child, chosen and free,
Held by everlasting mercy.
Fear not, you shall not live in shame. The Lord has called you by your name. Afflicted soul, tossed with storm and pain, He is building beauty from your rain. With stones of color, foundation secure, His promises forever endure. Your children shall know His perfect way, and great shall be their peace each day. No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
Your Redeemer walks beside you, stronger.
In righteousness you will stand tall. The Lord Most High is over all. No weapon formed against you shall prosper.
His loving kindness leaves you never.
When darkness tries to cloud your sight,
His mercy leads you
into light. Enlarge the place of your tent. Do not hold back, believe again. Lengthen the cord, strengthen the stakes. The Lord is moving, make room for grace. Every tongue that rises shall fall. My inheritance belongs to the Lord. From the ashes He lifts the weak, strength for the humble who seek. His compassion will not fade away. His covenant stands forever and always. From generation unto generation He remains my salvation. No weapon formed against me shall prosper.
the King of glory.
Is my shelter, though trials come like raging seas.
His covenant brings
Lasting peace. No weapon formed against me shall prosper.
my faithful God is still my answer.
I am redeemed, restored, renewed.
Walking in His truth. Though the mountains may depart,
His peace remains inside my heart,
the Lord who formed the stars above
still surrounds me with unfailing love. No weapon formed against me shall prosper.
my Redeemer.
Is my strong defender.
This is the heritage of the servants of the Lord.